Hey guys, it's Amanda. Thank you for coming by my channel and watching my video today. I truly appreciate it. Today we'll be making some easy chicken recipes and I really hope you'll give them a try. So first up we have cheesy bacon chicken sliders, and when I tell you guys these are amazing, they are amazing. I love them. They're a favorite in this house. We're always making them. This recipe kind of just came from me seeing so many different people make sliders all different types of ways, and we finally found one that actually was good for us and that we really enjoy. So you'll start off with your slider buns, and if they come pre-sliced for you, you are lucky because they're very not difficult but not fun to try to cut in half. But you'll start off by cutting those in half and then putting mayo on the bottom of the buns. If you don't like mayo, you don't have to use it. I'm not a big fan of mayo, but it's fine on these sandwiches. I don't mind it. And you'll top with your American cheese, then add your chicken slices. Then you'll want to add your pepper jack cheese, and I add pepper on top of my pepper jack cheese, and then top with your buns. And then you'll make your sauce, and you just take all your sauce ingredients and just mix it all together in a bowl. And then you're going to want to put it on top of your top buns. I use a brush to put it on in there. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot the bacon. You can't forget to add the bacon. I only had like 2 slices in the fridge and they needed to be used, so I just chopped them up and put them on the sandwiches. I would have put more if I had more because we love bacon. But yeah, just make sure that you mix all your sauce ingredients together. And then you'll take your brush and then just brush it all over the top of the buns. And then you're going to want to cover it with foil and put it in the oven. We don't use all the sauce on the top of the buns because my husband likes to dip the sandwiches into some of the sauce when they're done. So if you want to keep it and reserve some, then by all means do so. But you'll cook it at 350 for 15 minutes and then uncover it and cook it for 10 minutes. And this is what they look like at the 15-minute mark when I'm uncovering the foil. And I know that looks like a lot of garlic, guys, but it's not to us. So if you want to not use the garlic or just use less, by all means do so. Whatever you guys like to do. This is what they look like when they came out after the 10 minutes uncovered, and they're so good, guys. I really hope you try them. We love them. They're cheesy and buttery and garlicky and melty and just awesome. So please let me know if you try them. Next up we have glazed chicken wings. This was our first time having this recipe and it turned out really good. I got it out of one of my cookbooks. I did add 2 ingredients to the list. You can see here that they didn't call for pepper or minced garlic, but I did add it. You can screenshot the recipe if you'd like to try this version. I did end up halving this recipe because we didn't use the whole wings, we only used the party size wings. But you will start off by just making your sauce by adding your soy sauce, your honey, your barbecue sauce, your garlic, and your pepper into a bowl and mixing it well. And then you're going to pour that on top of your wings and mix those around well. And then you'll pour them into a sprayed pan. And then make sure that they're all level so no wings are on top of each other. And then you're going to put it into a preheated 350-degree oven and cook it for about 50 minutes. I did end up flipping these at 30 minutes and then they cooked for another 20 minutes. And then I took them out of the sauce and then broiled them for 5 minutes on a foil-lined pan. And then after 5 minutes, I dipped them in the sauce and then put them back into the oven under broil for another 5 minutes, and that's when they were done for us. We do like a little bit more crispy. I don't really like the soggy wing texture, and I felt like the bottoms of them were kind of that way when they came out of the oven at first. here they are after the 50 minutes of cooking time. As you can see, they're kind of crispy on the top, but not really where we would like them. So we take them out of the sauce and we put them on this pan, and then we're going to broil them for probably about 5 minutes. And then this is what they look like after they broiled for 5 minutes. And then what I'm going to do is take them out of this pan, dip them in the sauce one more time, and then we will broil them for another 5 minutes. And this was after the 5 minutes. This is way more of what we were looking for. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And here they are, all plated up. They were really good and really sticky, but we didn't mind that at all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I truly, truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, you coming by and watching my video today. I hope you have a wonderfully awesome, amazing day.